So after discussing isosceles triangle, it's time to discuss scalene triangle. And if a triangle is a scalene triangle, then that means that none of the sides of that triangle are equal. That is, they are not of the same length. Okay, they are not of the same length. So if, let's say that we have this triangle, let's say that it is A, it's B, and it's C, and side AB is not equal to side BC, is not equal to side CA. None of these sides are equal, therefore such triangle will be a scalene triangle. And in the case of equilateral triangle, three sides were equal, therefore three angles were equal. In case of isosceles triangle, two sides were equal, then the two angles will be equal. In case of scalene triangle, since no sides are equal, none of the sides are equal, therefore none of the angles will be equal. Therefore, angle CAB will not be equal to angle ABC, will not be equal to angle BCA. Okay, so if it's said that if side AB is of 2 centimeter, side BC is 5 centimeter, and side CA is 10 centimeter, then what kind of a triangle it is? If it is to be told on the basis of the sides only and not on angle, then you will surely say that, you can say that this is a scalene triangle. It's a scalene triangle because none of the sides of that triangle are equal, therefore that will be a scalene triangle.